September 24, 2020, session 1037 of these inner journeys through the Omega Communications portal. And so another inner journey begins this day. Another entry into the dimensional field known as a station of light. And this requires you to be relaxed in your body and to have an open mind and to enhance all of your perceptions, all of your senses. And this is how we begin today, because that aspect of you that presents itself into the station of light, into the receiving area, is the higher evolved aspect of the personality of the physical unit known as you, as your name. So as you assemble into the receiving area, all of that tends to become less important, to drop away, and your focus is here as a galactic being of light. And so we begin. We acknowledge you here, beloved. I'm addressing you, and we do lift you into this field of energy to enhance the conditioning of you as a galactic being present here, of a great consciousness, the quantum consciousness of you, of all of the aspects of you that are needed to be connected into you in your role, in your presence, and what you bring forward into the earth pattern construction, and what is needed in your environment and in the environment of the entire planet. Every session brings all of this information to you in different ways for you. And should you do revisit earlier sessions, you will be receiving them in a new way, because you have evolved through each presentation of you as you integrate the higher aspect of you from your original point of creation. And so you hear things and you see things in a different way. All of it is a consolidation of every visitation into this planetary station of light. The ongoing changes you are experiencing, resulting from your absorption of the clear energy systems, then brings you into the state of being where you are consciously aware of the higher level changes taking place. You may be consciously aware of this presentation around you in a different way. Perhaps in this session you are perceiving an energy structure and the particular pillars of light, of energy systems that come through those pillars of light. They are an integral part of this station of light existence. And information patterns can come through those as if they are conduits for you to be receiving. As you are standing before me in this presentation, you already are receiving individual coded frequency patterns which you resonate with as part of the consolidation of the quantum consciousness within you. And therefore you are enhanced. the enhancement goes beyond just your mere physical, emotional pattern needs. It goes beyond that into the entire energy field matrix around you and around the planet system. All of this is open to you to receive and to be present within. The highest evolved aspects of you in that quantum field of consciousness understands the purpose for this, and it also understands the flowing energy systems which are an automatic response to the needs and to the energy flow that you are integrating into you in a continuous way. Stabilize yourself within this, because it is a powerful influence around you. Yet you will know that you resonate with specific aspects of that are appropriate for you at this time. So in this expanded field now that you have entered into, your connection is clearer and stronger into other spheres of existence appropriate for you. You may understand these to be different timelines of experience. You may understand them to be where you are present in different satellite spheres or other planetary spheres, and also through the solar portal into other galactic spheres of existence. Momentarily, do you perceive the connections in that quantum field where you exist within and as? This reveals much more to you, as if it were a cloak being lifted away from many stages of evolution that you were not aware of, and it will also reveal to you many of your companions who continue to be with you, to support you, to strengthen your entire energy field with its resonance into the quantum field. This will enhance your individual sense of your presence within and through your current physical unit. All necessary, you see, because when you see that, when you see the veil lifted away from your current physicality unit, you see the quantumness of you present in your current locality and activities. You will also be seeing changes happening in a sense very naturally as part of this resonating quantum field within you. The expansion of this is enabling you to be greeting and greeted by many of the other dimensional forms you are familiar with already. You are already absorbing and have absorbed many of the greater aspects that you are needing to utilize in your current existence. You're gathering all of that into you, and thereby the enhancement continues. You can consciously utilize this throughout your energy systems and your current lifetime processes, those experiences that you view as you and your lifetime. All of this is facilitated through your conscious connection into the quantum field. This does not mean that you exist elsewhere without some formation of you. The formations, or you might say a body form, are relative to the environment of where you exist in, and the holistic pattern of the quantum field that you are presenting, even in this moment, in your presence, in this quantum field, where you are enacting what you are receiving in that other state of consciousness and experience. Now we bring this all back into you, into your current presentation here within the receiving transition space. This is all natural to you. And what you have been experiencing in this presentation and in your presence here, again you will be expanding upon as you allow it to integrate into your current energy systems. You are receiving it in multi-dimensions, in the multi-fields that are you in your current presentation as the being, labelled as you identify who and what you are. Take all of this into you in this space, beloved. As you do that, I withdraw now, or am out. I am the one, Yulia, coming to be with you in this moment and to help you expand that feeling of fulfillment in this presentation. And it is the sensation that is important, which goes beyond word and thought forms. It is the essence of you absorbing the quantumness and perfection, the wholeness. We say that because it gives you the sense of being perfectly attuned and resonating with the higher field that is particular to you and your purpose for being present in this presentation and your purpose for being present in your current physicality. You are enveloped in this great field and using your words. It is fulfillment, it is joy, it is the sense of being one with the higher evolutionary state. You may feel you have the sense that this is a gift, that you have been given a gift and you have gifted yourself into your presentation as this being, bringing all of this into your physical body on earth. And the earth is of the quantum existence. All of this will continue to expand within you. So even in these few words, I have been assisting you to restore all of this into your current physicality. And thus my part of this presentation is complete. You Leah out. Again, this is Lani, to bring to the closure of this particular session. The closing words are not relevant even, are they? Because you continue to experience what you have received. And you can refresh this within you many times as it is appropriate for you. So bring all of this back into your present moment as you realize where you are, where your body form is, and completely bring it down to connect you into the earth pattern and the current time and day. As I said that, I felt us connecting into the earth, but seeing the earth as a grid system, an energy matrix filled with greater light systems, and as if there were many special gatherings of supporting beings connected into it. And you've become aware of these, like the Mer people and the people of the inner earth civilization, and the true beings of higher intelligent quantum consciousness field in our satellite moon. All of this is in my awareness, as it will be within your awareness, because we are sharing one quantum field of consciousness. Thank you for sharing in this. It's been a joy to present this to you today. And so this concludes this presentation through the Omega Communications portal. I trust you will continue to be with us on these ongoing connections, sessions.